Hey everyone, Pete from Abstract Ocean. Today I'm going to show you how to install this really simple vinyl decal to make the sort of embossed Rivian mark here just pop a little bit inside your R1T or R1S. The actual installation is tool free, however, to remove this panel, which is really easy, you do need something with a hook underneath it. So we do sell the trim removal kit, which is handy for all kinds of things aside from just messing around in your truck. Yeah, you need something like this just to pull this panel off. So real quick, all you need to do is remove your speaker. Then that allows you to get this rubber piece out, like so. And then on this piece there's a clip here, there's a clip here, here and here, and then two kind of prongs up here. So what I'm going to do is just pop this under there. Twist, same over here, and then just gently just put it away. These are not tough clips at all. All right, and then there you go. So you can see just those two clips there, two on the side, and then when you refit it, there's these lugs on top. So you start up here, just put it into there, and then just snap it into place again. So super easy, just like that. One more time. Using a different tool this time. And you'll see this is actually where their CAN bus connector is as well, so that's kind of interesting, but super easy. So now I'm going to take this to the bench. We can do this in the air conditioning inside on the kitchen counter or somewhere, and then we'll put it back in. Okay, so now we've got the panel off, we've got it on a table. This is what you're going to get in the kit. So we're going to give you two of these, and there's going to be two different ways to install these. I'm going to show you one, then the other, and then obviously a couple of cleaning wipes. So just get those out of the way. First of all, we're going to clean the area. We have noticed that even from the factory, this trim can be kind of quite oily or greasy just from manufacturing. Same if you use any kind of trim cleaner like Armor or something like that, then that'll inhibit the vinyl from adhering. So just make sure you give this a little clean first. And then for the first application, we're going to do it all at once. So this is the faster way of doing it, and it's kind of how I've designed the kit, but sometimes you may have more luck doing it letter by letter. So let me show you this way first. We're going to peel it off. So do it carefully. Obviously we want to make sure that the vinyl comes away with the clear carrier film, like so. And then the letter to look for is the eye, the center eye. If you get that lined up, then everything else will also line up. So I'm looking over the top now, going kind of slowly, like so. So I'm just laying that on top. So you'll see this one looks perfect. This one actually looks over this way a little bit, and the eye looks this way. And there's a reason for that, because as I press this down, it kind of pulls all these letters in just a little bit. So by design, we're going to start with the middle letter, the I. Then we're going to kind of go to the A, just kind of push that into its little opening, like so. And then we're going to go to the V. Okay, and we're going to just keep on going, so we'll go to the I next. And then you can still kind of move things around a little bit if you need to, just to kind of get it lined up properly. Let's get the R done. I'm obviously just using my fingertips. If you have kind of a soft cloth or something like that, then that kind of helps as well. And I'll finish with that. But just move on to the end. Okay, let me just grab a cloth. Just kind of rework it in there. And the reason we're doing this is we want the letters to stay stuck when we pull the clear carrier film away. And it can be a bit of a challenge sometimes, so just okay, so then I'm going to just grab a corner and I'm going to kind of just peel it away. It's best, so if I use the A as example, I don't want to peel it this way because it's going to take kind of the piece of vinyl with the least resistance. So I'm going to go kind of this way, so it's kind of hitting this long piece here. That way the vinyl stays in place. I'm going to keep going like that, just keeping on it. So you can see that V is lifting slightly, so I'm just going to come around this way instead. Just peel it that way. And you kind of get the idea, just kind of help the vinyl stay in place. Because it's a kind of a debossed emblem, just a little bit difficult to get it to properly adhere when you've got the carrier film trying to put it away. But now it's in there, I'm just going to use the cloth just to finish it up. So there you go, so that's option 1. That's probably the quicker, easier option. Option 2 is going to be basically the same thing, but we're just going to cut it and do each letter one by one. So let me clear this and we'll do that real quick. Alright, so going again, just going to clean this a little bit. So instead of applying all at once, I'm just going to cut each letter. Left-handed, so scissors are not my friend. Ever. Oh, terrible. Alright. Luckily I'm not demonstrating how to use scissors. So now obviously you can just pick whichever letter you want. I guess I'll start with the V, since it's half off already, from my fantastic scissor work. So this time you just kind of float it over the recess or deboss, and then when you find the spot, I'm just going to push that home with your fingers. And then to remove the clear carrier sheet, same thing, you know, try and do it on a long edge so that the vinyl stays in place. So I'll go ahead and do the rest. I'll speed through this bit because I think you probably get the idea at this point. Okay, could have actually done a slightly better job on that one. Let me see if I can lift that up. So you get the idea. I think if you have the time, this second way is better because you just got better accuracy with each of the letters. It's crazy how the easiest letter can be the most annoying sometimes. There we go. But that's how you install the little Rivian deboss for your center console panel. And to reinstall it, it's obviously reversed, but you can see there's just these 4 clips on the bottom and then these 2 kind of hooking clips at the top here. If I just hold it that way, you can see. So just hook them under and then snap it back. Super easy. Thanks for watching.